Students, now open page 125. First of all, we will write here classwork and short it, that is 30th November 2020. Question number 3 is now complete these. First of all, look at this question. We will add the grams and kilograms and kilograms. It's 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. Here we have kilograms. 2 plus 8 it's 10. We write 0 here and 1 will be carry over here. 6 plus 2 it's 8. 8 plus 1 it's 9. So answer is 90 kg, 875 grams. Now look at B part. It's 0 plus 0 it's 0. 5 plus 6 it's 11. We write 1 here and 1 will be carry over here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. We write 6 here. And 1 will be carry over here. Now we will write here kilograms. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. We write 1 here and 7 here and 1 will be carry over here. 4 and 3, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So answer is 87 kg, 610 grams. Now question number C. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 will be carry over here. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 1 will be carry over here. Now we write kilograms. 5 plus 1 it's 6. 6 plus 7 it's 13. We write 3 here and 1 will be carry over here. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer is 53 kg, 545 grams. Students, you will solve D and E part by yourself and do question part A to E on your notebooks also and send me your work. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.